Hey guys, how are you doing? I just wanted to do a super quick video because the garden is awesome this spring and I wanted to show you around really fast. The fence has been amazing and we have had a wonderful spring. It's been warm and I was able to get out here early enough, so everything is growing beautifully. We are already getting broccoli and the cabbage is getting close to being ready. I started all those from seed this year, guys. Here are some cucumbers and beans. I did have a little bit of problem getting beans to go, but I have plenty that are already off to a great start. The raspberries and blackberries are going. Asparagus is already done. We had a good harvest of that this year. There are the potatoes. They're rocking out. And sweet potatoes. And the zucchini and the summer squash are growing well. And over here, just more tomatoes, some carrots and beets and garlic. With the new fence, I'm able to utilize that space over there and have butternut squash that will climb and spaghetti squash and pumpkins in the corner. So I'm going to try to grow some of that over the fence. But this over here is amazing. The strawberries have been outstanding this year. And all that lettuce looks so nice, doesn't it? This is the best time of year in the garden. Everything is so beautiful and fresh and green. And here is the flower and herb section in the front. It's all taken off too. Here is the big view. I hope all of your gardens are doing this well this year. We've had a couple bad years. Maybe not bad years, but they could have been better. And I definitely wanted to go up to the next level this year in gardening. And I feel like I'm off to a good start for that. Thanks guys. I'll catch you the next time. This is really a shame, isn't it? But it works. Keeps her out of what I just picked.